Good evening, President, invited guests, and parents, and my fellow classmates. My name is Daniel Yisa. I enrolled in the um, software development Python, but I enrolled because I saw I saw someone using Python. I figured out it was something very interesting, creating something and immediately seeing the results. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, I created a game they call the guessing game. The guessing game is just a simple game where the computer gives a number and you try to guess the number. Here we started from importing random. Random is a module, just like where group of functions and codes are kept. That is an inbuilt module that comes with Python. I imported random. I created a function using this def function. Is also like creating another module, and I told the computer that to be able to pick difficulty, thereby the user be able to pick the difficulty E, M, or H for easy, medium, or hard. Then I now brought this particular module into this another function that I created where the game is, and I told the computer that guess should be where the user have to input his guess, and if the answer is correct, it will print correct answer. Let me run it. See, it asks for the level. Let me use the see, it says that if the guess is too high, it will print that the guess is too high. But if the guess is too low, it will tell you that the guess is too low. All inside the code. If you get the correct answer, it is going to say you have gotten the correct answer.
Thank you so much. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Come on, everybody, let's give it up for Daniel Yisa. That's powerful.